Hi, Kosampo, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to unbox most awaited parcel of all time. I've always wanted to own a pair of Dr. Martens shoes, but I was quite skeptical because before I made this purchase I watched a lot of videos and I saw a lot of YouTubers telling that it's quite hard to break into it. But anyways, I've always wanted to own one. So at the time of my purchase, I was going through all the Dr. Martens shoes and I fell in love with 3 different kinds. And they were, the first one I fell in love with was the Dr. Martens Evie Mary Janes. It's so beautiful. I still love it, but the only thing that the only reason I did not buy them was because it had 9cm heels. And although I'm okay with wearing heels, I just thought that, you know, Dr. Martens are pretty hard to break into, and on top of that, 9cm heels could be a little bit too much for me because you walk everywhere here. So although I fell in love with it, I decided not to buy it. And the second one was the 1853 quads. Oh my god, I watched a lot of YouTube videos and people where I've seen videos with people using ribbons, like pink ribbons and blue ribbons as the shoelaces, and it looks so beautiful. But after so much contemplating, I decided to buy this one. It's finally here and I'm very excited to unbox it. But first, look at my plant behind. I'm gonna show you. So I've been trying to grow this. I found this one outside in my patio and it didn't have any leaves on it, but I decided to put this one like over my mirror. Look at my snake plants, and we've got another leaf here. Looks like a love. See, it looks like a heart. Look at my beautiful plants. Okay, let's unbox this. What does this have? So many facilities. I'm so excited. I'm very excited. I hope I love this. I hope I love this. I really do. Look at this packaging. Beautiful. Dr. Martens. Little ASMR. Behold. Thank you. Your order was packed by Leah. Thank you, Leah, for packing my order. Oh my god. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at these babies. Wow! So beautiful. This. But show me what she said.
36.
Huh?
36. Sampai itu.
This is pure water.
Dede.
Oh, kamacik cime. Just tuh.
Tuh yang mana nama sebelum percinya habis ini.
Kan yo kono udah di last time dera. Kadi tuh nina dan deh.
Siti nara.
Kamacik cime se. Tip dalo ani masih tidak break do dalo lakacang labi se. Break. It's a little bit hard on the side. This is beautiful. My Dr. Martens bed and shoes. Beautiful. So here's the time for my honest review. This is a very beautiful shoes and it's very heavy. This is actually very heavy, this part. This is like very heavy. Not very heavy, but it's heavy for shoes. It's very shiny. I love the packaging and I love how it looks, but I feel like it's a little bit rough. Everything's good, but I think you might need a really thick socks because this part I need to select the game to my legs. It's homemade because this is very because this is leather, so you kind of expect it to be like this, but look at this. This is beautiful. Above everything, I am really happy with the purchase and I hope that I can style them and I hope it will last very long because I bought them thinking that it will last at least 5 years. I don't want a lot of shoes. I just want few shoes which I can wear with different outfits, and I feel like these shoes will go with a lot of outfits because you can wear them with skirts, you can wear them with long skirts, you can wear them with pants and everything. So I'm quite happy. I just really hope that I will be able to break into them and I can't really wait to style them. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I know it's not that much, but I really enjoyed making this and I'm really happy that I actually bought these shoes. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.